Hi everybody, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and today I will show you how to use our organic shadow animation pack. First of all, when you've downloaded all the files, you will end up with 4 folders. The first one is the mockup folder where you can find the scene creator inside. I will show you in the next step how to use it. The second folder is the one you can find the palm animation shadows inside, and the palm animation folder is where you find the organic palm animations. And the last one is the background folder, there you can find different backgrounds. So let's start with the scene creator. You'll open it in Photoshop, and now you see that we already prepared a scene for you. When you go to the right, or wherever you have your layers, you will see that you have shadows, mockups, and background. So shadows are the 4 different static shadows you can choose from. We have this kind of window shadow, then we have eucalyptus shadow, another eucalyptus shadow, and the lavender shadow. You can adjust their shadows as you like. You can change the opacity. You can change the color. So the next thing I will show you are the mockups. Here you can find the different sizes. You can move them around. And when you want to change them or put your design on it, simply double click on the smart object. And here you can see that your design folder is here. Simply drag and drop your design or create it inside here. This small solid color layer is only to change the background color of the paper, so you can change it as you like. Then save it and close it. Then save it again and close. And as you can see, now you have your color changed. Once again, double click, and change the color. Now you can do whatever you want. You can put some layer on it, paint on it, or write something. Save, close, and here we go. Save, close. You can do this with every one of the mockups. The next step is background. Simply choose a background from our background folder, drag and drop it over here, scale it, and move it down on the very bottom. Now let's try some shadow animations. First of all, I will turn the static shadows off. Go to the folder, take some shadow animation. You have the zip files, so I already unzipped them. Choose one, drag and drop, and then position it wherever you like. Scale it and enter. So now you can see the layer is under the mock-up. Just drag and drop it over here. Now it's a little bit too dark. This is no problem, so you can adjust the opacity. Let's say if we take 20 or maybe a little bit more. Here we go. What you can do is change the color too, as in the static shadows, with a solid color layer. And then simply by clicking Alt or holding Alt, creating a clip mask, And here we go. You can also change the opacity from the solid layer. And here we go. Now, as you can see, we don't see the animation yet, but we will go there. So, go to Window, Timeline. And now create a video timeline. Now you can see the different layers we have and the different groups. Here is our animation layer. So all the animations are 30 seconds long. So of course you don't need to make them 30 seconds. So when you go with the timeline, it takes a bit because the files are really big. You can see that there's already movement. So make sure when you want a longer animation or a longer video to drag all the layers to the time you want to render. So if you render it like it is now, it will disappear at 5 seconds. You can make a preview, but sometimes it takes a bit in Photoshop to see the preview in real time because it renders in the back. This looks a little bit stiff, but when you render the video, everything is super smooth, so don't freak out, please. Once again. Here we go. So, this is it. Now, if you want to export the video as a video file, you can also export this as a picture or a PSD file for a flat and only image preview. Simply save as image, whatever kind of format you want. And if you want to export it as a video, go to Export and Render Video. So these are my settings I most of the time use. And then select a folder and export it. It will take a while, but not so long. So everything is gonna be okay. So yeah, that's it. Have fun. We hope you like this set, and if you have any questions or any trouble or whatever with this set, please send us a message. Thanks. Bye.